are we now, is the court able to excuse the first and second respondent?
They hand over to us. They may want to hear what he says.
Maybe it can be recorded that they can leave at their pleasure.
Yes.
Most
we have no reason to detain them.
Most
only that they have not given us that officer. Once he steps there, you are free to leave.
Well, perhaps maybe before the witness is sworn, I seek a clarification from your lordship in the following respect. The orders of habeas corpus were issued explicitly in the names of two public and state officers, the first and second respondent. The first and second respondent, my lord, and I believe this is a point that one of my colleagues made earlier on, have the constitutional mandate to carry out investigations. My lord, they have taken to the stand, they have been sworn, and they have spoken to the habeas corpus. My lord, the notice of motion before you is spent. The petition is still not for hearing. And the notice of motion was determined by the court issuing the orders of habeas corpus. Perhaps your lordship would be kind enough to perhaps give fresh directions that would then prescribe the manner in which the court is going to proceed. Because in this way, it can be an endless inquiry and it can be a never-ceasing order of habeas corpus.
Mr. Nyamodi, the officers that were summoned by the court have told us that they gave instructions and they have that officer that was instructed to carry out investigations, and the court may wish to hear from that officer. That's what we are pursuing. Let him take the stand, tell us what he has done, pass on to instructions by his bosses, and then they will leave us to deal with our businesses.
Thank you very much for that clarity. That is the clarity I sought, your lordship.
Thank you.
I swear in the name of Almighty God that the evidence that you have given before this court touching on matters shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Please introduce yourself to court.
My lords, I am Mr. Paul Washira, an Assistant Inspector General of Police, currently serving with the Directorate of Criminal Investigations as the Deputy Director Investigations Bureau.